Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart Health and Fitness. If you're struggling with sciatica pain, you know how frustrating it can be. Today, I'm going to show you 5 simple exercises you can do right at home to help relieve that pain and improve mobility. Let's get started. Sciatica is pain that radiates along the sciatic nerve, running from your lower back down to your legs. It's often caused by compression or irritation of this nerve, leading to pain, tingling, or numbness. Let's loosen up the piriformis muscle, which can irritate the sciatic nerve. Sit on a chair with your back straight. Cross your right ankle over your left knee. Gently lean forward until you feel a stretch in your glutes. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, then switch sides. This stretch can help relieve tension in the hips and ease sciatic pain. Exercise 2. Standing hamstring stretch. Stand straight and place one foot on an elevated surface. Keep your legs straight and gently bend forward, reaching towards your toes. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, then switch legs. Stretching the hamstrings helps reduce pressure on the lower back and sciatic nerve. Exercise 3. Cat-cow stretch. Start on all fours, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale and arch your back, cow pose. Exhale and round your back, cat pose. Repeat for 1 to 2 minutes. Exercise 4, child's pose. Kneel on the floor and sit back on your heels. Stretch your arms forward and lower your torso to the ground. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Exercise 5, supine figure 4. Stretch, lie on your back with your knees bent. Cross your right ankle over your left knee. Grab behind your left thigh and pull it towards your chest. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. This stretch targets deep glute muscles and eases sciatic nerve pressure. Try these exercises regularly and remember, consistency is key. If your pain persists, consult a healthcare professional. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips. Drop a comment below if these helped or if you want more targeted exercises. See you next time on Smart Health and Fitness.